Good morning, class. Today we will continue chapter 3, that is business environment. And today we will discuss about the different favorable factor of business environment and the different effect on business environment. Favorable factors of business environment refer to those factors which help in expansion and development of industry, trade and commerce. So here are the factors. First one is infrastructural facilities, means transportation, banking service, financial service, insurance, etc. Secondly, spirit of invention, means the people provide opportunity for the industry sector to use latest technology. Third, legal protection for intellectual property rights. Fourth one is a stable political condition. Fifth, healthy capital market, means long-term capital is the base for the establishment of any industry or company. And lastly, easy availability of natural resources, means the region where natural resources such as coal, iron ore, manganese, limestone, etc. are easily available. It's good for the establishment of any factories or company. Now here are the factors which affect any business or business environments. So we can discuss, or for our convenient we have summarized this like PESTL PESTL. Here P stand for political factor, E stand for economic condition, S for social culture force, T for technological factor, E stand for environmental factor, and L for legal condition. So these are the factors which affect on the business. Effects of political environment on business, means the environment which is formed with the factor influencing the political condition is called the political environment. And what are the factors which affect political environments are attitudes of opponent parties, government policy, political condition, government intervention, attitude of government, etc. are the components of political parties. Effects of economic environment on business, means nature of economic system, infrastructure facility, capital market, government rule and regulation are the component of economic environment. And the components are discussed below, like nature of economic system, national income, monetary policy, fiscal policy, natural resources, infrastructural facility, capital market, government rule and regulation. Social environment refers to that environment which consists of all the social and cultural force within which business enterprise are operated, means income distribution, consumer awareness, standard of living, family structure, pollution density, education level, awareness of rights. So these are the effects of social environment on business. Technology environment is referred to body of skill, knowledge and procedure of making, using and doing useful things. So here are the positive effect and the negative effect. Means positive effect, technology increase the productivity, production of new and better goods of standards quality with more efficiency use of raw material, basis of the fast growing urban and industrial system. Now the negative effect of technology, displacement of labor, environmental pollution, switching over might be costly. How legal environment affect and change business environment. Means the political environment refer to the action taken by the government which potentially affect the daily business activities of any business or company. So what are the changes? Means change in legislature and executive, government implement new plans and government bodies, Industry Development Act number 33, and the effects. The government suspends work to review the project, assessment of government investment of roads, bridge,